Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I would like to show you this nice intraday setup regarding dollar CAD. Right, so what I have here is dollar CAD on the 1 hour. So it's on the 1 hour because really this is just an intraday short-term trade setup. So it's gonna move pretty quickly. Right, so we see that price started off from the low here, went up, made a high, came back down, made a higher low, right, compared to this. Right, and then tested the same high again, right? So if actually we were to look to the left and we can draw one line across, okay, it's really essentially the same level, right? So right here, okay, so when we see that price continues to make a series of higher lows, right? So we can actually safely say that on the shorter term, on the intraday time frame, price could very well push up to test this same high once more. Now I'm going to draw a trend line connecting the higher lows, alright, without cutting the candle body. If you see that the trend line holds the price really well, and looking at this area from this last swing low to this last swing high, you can actually do a retracement. Alright, so we see price basing around here. Alright, very quickly let's do a retracement from the low to the high, and what we see right here is that price has actually touched and rejected the 78.6. Alright, bounced up and is coming back to test this trend line support level at 50%. Okay, and of course we have the negative 61, which is pretty much in line with this last swing high. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight the negative 61, okay, and the 50%, and the 78.6. Alright, so these are the three lines that we have. And really, in terms of market structure, we can draw a box around here. This can be our intraday take profit. Right, so this would be our target box. Right, anywhere in this zone, right, we can actually take profit. And of course, we see price coming back down to test this level in line with our trend line. This level can very well be our entry. And of course, at the last swing low, we can put our stop loss, but I'll back it up a bit to give the trade a bit of room to breathe, right? So that we don't get stopped up prematurely, and this can be our stop loss. So we're just playing the bounce, and the short-term bounce to the recent swing high. Last but not least, we can also actually include RSI. Right, you see, if we were to zoom in on the RSI indicator and draw a ascending trend line support, we see that every time the RSI tests this ascending trend line support, price reacts pretty strongly over here, and price reacts pretty strongly in this area as well. So we can expect price to make a bigger bounce anytime soon. Alright, so that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe and stay safe, and thank you.